Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import medias into Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is one of the most using video editing software in the world right now. Okay, so let's open Premiere Pro first. Okay, after opening Premiere Pro, a window will appear like this. Click here or to make a new project, just go to File, New Project. Okay, after clicking on Project, a new window will appear like this. You can name your project here, whatever name you want. You can also browse a location to save your project. Okay. Okay. This is the workspace. We can import videos, audios, photos, etc. to the Premiere Pro for working. To import a media, right click here, import. Okay, we can import audio, image, and other types of file here. Okay, okay, use this file, open project for import a saved project. That's it. Hope you understand. For more tutorials like this, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Have a great day.